The Clarke CP185 7-inch electric sander and car polisher is the ideal tool for automotive or marine use. Perfect for polishing cars, boats, motorbikes and more, it restores a brilliant finish to good paintwork, or quickly sands off old paint or corrosion prior to applying new coatings. It has a variable speed from 600 RPM for polishing and compounding and up to 3000 RPM for use when sanding. When running at the slower speeds, it uses lamb's wool bonnets and compounding sponges for surface polishing. At higher speeds, it is ideal for effective sanding using abrasive discs. The Velcro rubber pad makes it easy to attach and remove bonnets and sanding sheets when required, and uses widely available 180mm or 7-inch sanding discs. There is a spring-loaded spindle lock to make accessory changes quick and easy. The CP185 features an ergonomic D-shaped handle, which may be attached for either right or left-handed use, as well as a lock-on switch to save those aching fingers. The perfect accessory kit for the CP185 is this CPK kit, containing 8 of the most useful accessories. The CP185 electric car polisher and sander is supplied with a synthetic lamb's wool bonnet and Velcro rubber pad. With its powerful 1200-watt motor, it will give you many years of reliable service.